So guys, welcome back to Adaption Nutrition Workbook, week 4. And the first section we're looking at is the importance of resistance training. Why is it important to use resistance training in your exercise program? And what we want you to think of is why resistance training would help you to achieve your goal. So one point that you could think of is what type of macro is more likely to burn during a workout? And that is a question that you can answer yourselves. What difference it makes to your muscle tone, and having stronger muscle tissue helps you to burn more of what. So those are 3 points that we'd like to just give you as a little hint there, guys, to be able to answer that section correctly. So guys, week 4 and the importance of resistance training section. What is the difference between fats and carbohydrates when the body is burning energy? For instance, does the body use one energy more than the other to do certain exercises? So guys, here is a great hint for you. When you are doing a hard workout such as a HIIT class, you are burning fast amounts of energy. When you are doing a slow form of exercise such as walking, then you are burning a slow form of energy. So think of those two energies, guys, and how that the body might use them, and how that resistance training can help you burn those energies better. So guys, week 4 and the section Test Your Testosterone. Describe what hormone is found more prevalently in males than females. Describe the difference between atrophy and hypertrophy. So guys, please answer the question below with the appropriate answer. Remember that in general, males tend to carry more muscle than females. Also, muscle tissue breaks down and builds back stronger and more dense when trained. So if you think of that slight hint there, guys, we're trying to nudge you towards the idea that a certain type of hormone builds more muscle in males than it does in females, and also that muscle tissue can break down and build back up, so that you have a great understanding as to why your body builds muscle, breaks muscle down, makes it stronger, and where you can improve along the way. So guys, week 4 and the section Carry on Carbs. And the question to you is, name one type of simple carbohydrate and one type of complex carbohydrate. So look back on week 4 and revise what food contained this macronutrient. That's the first thing. Also, try to explain the difference between a simple and complex carbohydrate. Here is a hint for you guys. If you think of basic table sugar, when it is digested into the body, it actually digests in the stomach lining. It doesn't go into the colon to be further digested, meaning that that molecule of sugar is very, very easily digestible. And so because of that, it makes it a certain type of carbohydrate. So guys, week 4 and a continuation of the Carry on Carbs. The question to you is, why do simple sugars spike your insulin resistance and complex carbs only spike your resistance moderately? What do complex carbs have that simple carbs do not? Answering this question, think about what simple and complex carbohydrates do when they are digested, such as, do complex carbohydrates take longer to digest? Also guys, here is a hint for you. With a complex carbohydrate, they tend to carry more micronutrients. So that can also be a clue as to why they may take longer to be digested. Week 4, guys, and carbs, glycogen, muscles, and fat tissue. And the question that we're asking you is, what name is given to the syrup-like substance found in the body when converted from carbohydrate? When answering this question, you need to think about how this substance is converted from carbohydrates that come from food to supply the muscles with energy when working. So guys, when you're consuming a form of carbohydrate, your body really only works in one form of currency, if you like. And this currency is found inside your bloodstream, is digested by the body, and it is distributed via the bloodstream to the muscles. And what is this syrup-like substance called? If you can answer further, you may want to answer, what does it actually do when it is digested and turned into this substance? So guys, this is the end to week 4 of the Adaption Nutrition Workbook. Please make some notes, reread the questions, and just make sure that you have answered them to the best of your ability. And also, we hope that these questions are helping you on your journey with your nutrition plan.